Say good morning.
Alright guys, so we have been a little bit busy lately. You guys haven't really gotten too much of an update the past few weeks just because we've been honestly just trying to juggle it all. Electrical has definitely kicked our butts. It's been a lot of brain work and we've needed to put a lot of undivided attention into it, which is kind of hard, just with a lot of things going on, running a business, raising a 4-year-old, that kind of thing. So no excuses, and definitely not trying to sound like we're complaining, but it's just required a lot of our attention. So that's kind of why we haven't really taken any time to put together a video, that type of thing. But we've definitely still been working on the house. I would say we've got a really good portion of the electrical done. So you'll see most of what we've gotten done. So we're getting close to the end of that part, and we're excited about that. It's been a little discouraging, not gonna lie, but I think once we have that part done, we'll feel like we've accomplished a lot. Next up, we're probably gonna start on some electrical, hopefully in the next few weeks. Not electrical, plumbing. Hello, that's what I get for driving and trying to talk at the same time. So coming into the new year, we're gonna get our septic system done. So that's kind of terrifying, but also exciting. I think that we've gotten a lot of research done and talked to quite a few people about how it's gonna happen and how we're gonna put it all together. So we've got a pretty good handle on that. Be on the lookout for that. Anyway, just kind of wanted to talk to you guys and kind of put together a little video of where we've been and what we've been doing. So yeah.
So this has been a little project we've been working on for the past couple weeks. Got a bunch of logs from Kim's dad's house, and we're able to put them on the sawmill and turn them into some pretty lumber. A little bit of backstory on this wood. We were able to get it from Kim's dad's house. He had some trees cut down, and the tree guys actually were able to cut it into 8 and 10 foot logs for us. We were able to pick it up and bring it back home and mill it up, hopefully turn it into something fun.
with your hair in your face like.
Back here by the hot tub. Back here by the hot tub. Alright guys, so just so you know what we're planning to do with this, I know it looks kind of a bit crazy right now, but what we'll do is we'll take this contraption that's over here, this will fold down over our lumber. Once it sits on top of the lumber, it'll be covered in plastic, this will, and we have 2 dehumidifiers that are on either side, and then a fan that'll sit on top of the lumber right in this area, and it will dry this lumber in about 1/3 of the time. We'll be able to use it a lot quicker. A lot of this we're probably going to make furniture out of and sell to people, but some of it is going to be our kitchen island top. So we have a bunch of stuff here. I've got another big old stack across the road in the barn, and hopefully we'll be able to use a bunch of it and make some pretty stuff. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I know this week was just kind of us talking and explaining why we've been absent, why I haven't posted a video, why we haven't posted a video recently. Like Kim said, it's been busy. We've got a lot of the electrical done. I plan on posting another video here pretty soon. I've got a lot of stuff filmed. It's just taking the time to really stop and edit it all and put it all together and get it out there. We got the service panel basically hooked up, or the main panel hooked up, and we plan to show that video pretty soon. And then, like I said, a lot of the electrical, as you can see behind me, a lot of it's done. And we'll hopefully get an inspection before too long and be able to get power in the house, which would be amazing. Make life a lot easier. So, again, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the new videos coming out, and we will see you guys soon.